Affix, the building block of words for IELTS success. Have you ever wondered about the building blocks of words? Today, we're exploring a linguistic powerhouse that's essential for expanding your vocabulary and boosting your IELTS score to that coveted 8.0 band. Our focus? The word affix. Word type. Affix can function as both a noun and a verb in English. Meaning, as a noun, an affix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning or end of a word to change its meaning or function. As a verb, to affix means to attach, stick, or fasten something to something else. Word history. The term affix has its roots in Latin. It comes from the verb affigure, which means to fasten to. This verb is composed of add, meaning to, and figure, meaning to fasten. The word entered the English language in the 16th century and has since become a crucial concept in linguistics and word formation. Antonyms. While affix doesn't have direct antonyms, some related opposing concepts include detach, remove, or separate when considering its verb form. Synonyms. For the noun form, some synonyms include appendage, addition, or attachment. As a verb, synonyms include attach, fasten, fix, or append. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use affix in context. As a noun, the prefix "un" is a common affix in English, used to create opposites like unhappy or unclear. As a verb, please affix your signature at the bottom of the document to make it official. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing affix with suffix or prefix. Remember, affix is the general term that includes both prefixes, which are added to the beginning of a word, and suffixes, which are added to the end. Another error is using affix incorrectly in idiomatic expressions. For instance, one affixes a stamp to an envelope, not sticks or glues it. Understanding and correctly using words like affix can significantly enhance your lexical resource, a key factor in a high IELTS band score. By mastering affixes, you'll not only expand your vocabulary but also gain insight into word formation, allowing you to deduce the meanings of unfamiliar words during your IELTS test. Remember, in language learning, every word is the building block, and affix is your tool for constructing a more robust vocabulary.